Hi, Sonia here, Sterling Results Fitness Club. In April, we are hiking in Nepal, and on our last days, we'll be passing through a town called LESPAR. There's a little school in that town where last time we went, we donated a whole bunch of technologies. But while we were there, we noticed that the classrooms had no windows and they were badly damaged. So I wanted to save some money and raise some money for this school so they could improve the quality of their classrooms so the students stay warm during class, especially in winter, because Nepal's winters are very, very cold. So they've told me that to put windows in 12 classrooms, it's going to cost around 10,000 USD. Look, if we can do 5 classrooms or we could do something, if we could donate some money to this school and help them have a better education, I think that would be fantastic. So this fundraiser is to help a school in LESPAR. They are doing a fabulous job educating kids from 0 to 12 or from grade 1 to grade 12. And last year when we went, we met the students who are going on to the universities. I hope you can help this fundraising event. We leave in April, so any donations prior to that point will be taken immediately to Nepal.